In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do group scheduling in Calendly. Let's start from your Calendly dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see your existing event types and scheduling options. This is your main control center, where you manage all your meetings. From here, we're going to create a brand new group event that lets multiple people book the same time slot with you. At the top or side of the dashboard, look for the Create button. Go ahead and click on Create. This opens up the options for different types of events you can build. From those options, choose Group. This is important because a group event allows several invitees to schedule into the same session instead of blocking the time after just one person books. It's perfect for things like webinars, group coaching, or training sessions. Once you've selected Group, Calendly will open the event type editor. Click into the event type and give it a clear, descriptive title. For example, you might name it something like Weekly Group Q&A Session or Onboarding Webinar. Choose a title that makes it obvious to your invitees what the session is about, so they feel confident booking it. Next, click on Duration. Here, set how long the group event will last. For example, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or an hour. Think about how much time you realistically need to cover your content and allow for questions, then choose the duration that fits best. After that, click on Location. This is where you decide how you'll meet your invitees. You can select options like a video meeting platform, a phone call, or an in-person location. Pick the option that matches how you actually plan to host the group session. Calendly will use this to include the correct join details in the calendar invites. Now, click on Availability. This is where you choose the days and times when this group event can be booked. You can set specific time windows or reuse your existing working hours. Make sure the times you choose work well for your audience and leave yourself enough buffer between sessions so you're not rushing from one meeting to the next. Then click on Invitee Limit. Here, set the maximum number of people who can join a single time slot. For example, if you only want up to 10 people in a session, type in that number. Once that limit is reached, Calendly will stop allowing additional bookings for that time. When you're happy with these settings, click on Create. Calendly will generate your new group event and show you a preview. In this preview, double-check the title, duration, location, availability, and invitee limit to make sure everything looks right. If everything is correct, click on Save Changes. Your group event is now ready to share, and people can start booking into your group sessions using your Calendly link.